Hi, I'm Susie from the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center, here to talk about our new shelf-stable cheese sauces that are big on flavor and fit seamlessly into menus that follow the updated regulations for sodium. If you're looking for delicious, easy-to-use ingredients that hold great and can be used in all kinds of applications across your menu, both hot and cold, we encourage you to give these new sauces a try. You don't have to worry about some of your favorite cheese sauce recipes fitting into your menus once the new USDA regulations go into effect. The dairy experts at Land O'Lakes have your back. Our new shelf-stable cheese sauces have the same great flavor, same performance standards, same coverage per meat alternate, and same shelf-stable storage as our original cheese sauce formulas. The only difference is that these new cheese sauces are now 400 milligrams of sodium per meat alternate, which allows for more menu flexibility. Also, the viscosity of the sauce is slightly thinner, which means the product will be easier to remove from the pouch. As operators were requesting, you asked and we listened. Our shelf-stable cheese sauces are great on their own or as an ingredient in a variety of recipes, both hot and cold. One 3-ounce portion is one meat alternate and is the ideal coverage amount when used in pasta, rice, or nacho recipes. You won't skimp on any of the cheesy goodness that the kids want. You can use these cheese sauces in recipes and recipes with cheese sauce in a variety of lower sodium menus that will fit within those updated USDA regulations for sodium. When you combine excellent holding and reheat capabilities, as well as endless versatility for hot and cold applications, with optimum sodium levels designed to fit the ever-evolving sodium guidelines, you can rest assured that you can still serve your favorite recipes like 3-ingredient queso, chicken tortilla soup, Italian nachos, and Southwest pasta salad. Let the power of our new shelf-stable cheese sauce go to work for you.